Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious appetizers using only 6 ingredients. The ingredients and the star. These are fresh scallops. As you can see, I have washed and drained the scallops dried. They are beautiful. Look how big and plump they are. Now you can use frozen scallop as well. Just make sure that they are drained and dry. Okay, so you need light soy sauce, 1 stick of butter, fresh seaweed salads, fresh wasabi paste. If you like, add in the shiso leaves for garnish. These are my leftovers, so I'm using these. Alright, that's it. Let's cook. Okay, so in a heated searing pan, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Bring up the heat and place the scallop into the pan to sear. Now add more oil if you don't think you have enough. So here it is, the fresh scallops. I'm gonna place them into the searing pan. You don't want to overcook it because scallops are easily overcooked and you don't want it to be tough. You want it to be nice, moist, and tender. So you just want it to brown a little bit to give it that caramel color. Once you reach the toasty brown color, you want to go ahead and immediately remove the scallops from the pan and turn down the heat to a medium. As you can see, I need a little bit more oil to get that searing going in a faster pace. It is slightly golden brown, so I will now remove them one by one. Some may be more brown than the others in the bottom, but it's definitely not overcooked. Okay, so now that all the scallops has been removed, you want to go ahead and put the butters in, and as soon as the butter starts to melt, add the wasabi paste into the melted butter. Make sure your heat is on medium to low because you don't want to burn the butter. Okay, you just want it to melt, and go ahead, give that a good stir to dissolve the wasabi into the butter. Once that's incorporated, toss the scallops back into the pan and saute into the wasabi butter. Okay, so add about half a teaspoon to a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and once again adjust to taste, of course. As you can see here, I will add a bit more wasabi. Alright, for plating, what you want to do is lay a bed of fresh seaweed salads over the center of the plate. By the way, you can find these fresh seaweed salads at any Japanese market or Asian markets. Proceed with the bedding of the seaweed salad right around the center of the plate. And then what you're going to do is to go ahead and position the seared scallops over the bed of seaweed salad like that. And since this is an appetizer, I will put about 4 scallops on top. I find this dish to be amazingly delicious and scrumptious. The scallops are so tender and juicy and buttery, and then the seaweed salad kind of plenishes the palate. It's just so balanced. I love this. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is drizzle the shiso leaves on top of the scallop as a garnish. You don't have to, but I happens to have some leftover shiso leaves, so I'm just gonna use my leftover ones, which I marinate with garlic. And what you're gonna do also is to take the remaining sauce, the wasabi butter, drizzle it over the scallop and around the plate to give it that, 5-star restaurant look. Plus, you know, some people may love the butter, the wasabi butter, so they might want to dip it into the wasabi butter on the side of the plate there. But there it is. Okay, so just so that you know, this is an amazing appetizer dish that you can serve when you have guests, and it's so good with your favorite drinks. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe below and share your comments. I love to hear from you, and I really do hope you enjoy this dish the way my families do. Once again, bon appetit!